how to sign up on CoinGecko. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up on CoinGecko app. And to do that is very simple. First of all, um, click download the app, visit your Play Store, and then have the app downloaded and installed on your device. Once you've done that, click the open button on the download page to launch the app. So you'll be brought to this page where you would see your crypto companion, and then select your means of signing up. Do you want to sign up with email, with Google, or with Apple? I'm just going to select Google. After selecting Google, a list of your Google accounts will then be displayed. Select the account you would like to use to register on CoinGecko. Then you wait for the page to load. All right, so do you want to allow notifications? Yes, or you can just skip this. All right, then go back, and after that you can go ahead to select the coins that you're interested in, or you can skip. If you would like to get daily newsletters, you can do that or skip. Then do you want to use dark mode? Do you have a currency that you would like to use? What language would you like to use? So I'm going to select the light mode and finish. Note that you can always change these settings on your settings page. Then just like that, your account has been created. So move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, click on my account, your email, and every other thing will be displayed, and then you've signed up successfully on CoinGecko. So there you go. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.